Everyone, Ryan Yackley here with QASymphony, and we're continuing our series looking at all the speakers that are going to be at Quality Jam 2017 this year from April 18th through the 19th. And I'm privileged to have Adam Satterfield here from KMS Technologies. He's the VP of Testing Services at KMS, who's also going to be one of our sponsors this year. So Adam, welcome to the little show we have going on right now.
Hey, Ryan, I really appreciate it. And I also appreciate the ability to speak at Quality Jam again. Had a real good time last year talking with Kevin Dunn, and I'm really looking forward to having the ability to speak again this year.
Yeah, last year you guys had one of the most highest rated sessions at Quality Jam. So you're going to have to top that this year. And your topic for this year is called The Role of the Tester in the World of DevOps. Can you give us a little sneak peek to our attendees at the conference of what you're going to be talking about there?
Sure, absolutely. One of the things we're seeing in the industry is that move to rapid deployments, the ability to have continuous integration and continuous deployment as part of your agile process. Within QA, we all know that still within agile, a lot of times we wind up having to test at the end of the sprint. And that can be challenging, but not necessarily impossible. And so what DevOps has done is it has added multiple deployments per day. And typically when you have a process that speeds up, quality suffers. So really what we want to do is we want to have, I want to be able to give QA members tools and a strategy in place that can give you speed with quality.
Yeah, that's a big thing we're seeing right now, which is a lot of people are focusing on, hey, how do I automate something? And they're getting so focused on the automation aspect of it. Like you're saying earlier, where's the quality there? Where are you kind of making sure that the quality does not suffer in that automation that you're actually doing? The other thing that people have talked about is, when we talk about DevOps, right, the word test really doesn't show up, right? So it's like, where is the testing, right? And give us an idea of like what you could be talking about at this session where testing kind of fits in between the development and operations, words that kind of merge into this DevOps lingo we have.
Sure, that's a good point. And, really, I've broken up my speech into 4 topics. The first one we're going to be talking about is how to fail fast. One of the big things to being successful with testing at DevOps is a very fast feedback cycle. So I'm going to give the testing team some strategies on how to get in front of the development to allow you to start catching issues before they get to the end of the process and you're having to scramble at the last minute. Next is I'm going to give some good tips on, as a manual tester, we keep hearing that manual testers are going to go away, especially with DevOps. Everything's automated, so there's no role for manual testers. I truly don't believe that. I think that you can have the strongest partnership with manual testers and automated testers working together, so I'm going to give some good tips around that. The next is essentially what you were talking about a second ago, is that testing continuously. Is what type of test should you be running at every step of the process? And the last one is one of my favorite ones. I'm calling it My GUI is Gone. And it's going to talk, specifically to automated testers about where to focus your test. So that way you can have the fastest test and the ability to get the quickest feedback. So that way you're not running a 10-hour suite on 3 or 4 deployments per day, which is just completely unreasonable.
Right. Yeah. Well, that's a lot of stuff that you're going to cover on April 19th. I think you're going on at 1 p.m. It's going to be an awesome topic there. And, of course, KMS is going to be sponsoring the event, so they can come talk to you after and kind of get some more insights from maybe experiences you've had through all your experience in the testing world, KMS and at other companies. So definitely great topic we have. Thanks, Adam, for joining us today. And be on the lookout for Adam, as we'll see you all at Quality Jam 2017 coming up here in April 18th and 19th. We'll see you guys soon, and be sure to register at qualityjam.com.
Thank you.